Welcome to Journey JavaFX. This is the season 2 episode number 27. In this episode, we are going to working on the search function part. So we're going to create a text field for search and also a button for it. Let's get ready to it. Just save it quick. To do that, we need to declare a variable first, right? And then our theme builder will be able to find it. So public text field search, as simple as that. Let's move it one line above. Okay, let's open up theme builder. I'm going to make a copy of this text box and just put it here, and make a copy of this button and put it here. So I'm gonna name this one as text field search, and this button gonna be btn search, and it's on action method btn search on action. Do a save. Yeah, we gotta go back to the style sheet to add some style to it because I prepare a nice Google Blue to it for it. So I'm gonna make a copy of this button and call it btn search. Same idea here, and remove the scale part, and we just need to replace color, right, as the common state. I have a nice Google Blue all the way bottom. Yes, that's it. Let's go back and see. Yeah, it's already blue. And the text, I'm gonna say search. All right, the UI is all set. So now we just need to worry about the function itself. So let's go back to IntelliJ, looking for the red, create a method, removing the events variable. We don't need it for now. I'm gonna cut it, move it up to somewhere here on action, right? This part. Yeah, for this manager, it's kind of new. I'm gonna erase it, just minimize the confusion part. So for this one, I prepare kind of two routes. One is searching by tag, the other one is searching by content, right? So based on our database, we have two columns. One is tag, one is content. So yeah, it's not showing up here. Let's say content. Let's do a search. So we are searching for this. So now we need to save the search string, text field search.get text, right? So we have this, and then we need to do a test to see if there is a hashtag in it, right? I'm gonna say if search.length greater than 0, must be something there, and search.index of hashtag is greater or equal to 0, because it always at the first place, right? And in computer world, it's all 0 based. So if a hashtag found and it's kind of in the first place, then it will be 0 instead of the other columns. And if the function didn't find this hashtag, it will return a -1, I believe. That's why I put a kind of a greater or equal to here. So here we're gonna say tag route, right? And else gonna be a content route. So for this part, we are going to work on the select query, right? So for the select query, I'm gonna say make a copy of this one, because we are expecting a list of stories returned back to us, right? We're gonna say search by search tag, right? And inside of here, let's take a look. Everything will be reused. yeah, we only need to replace the query here. Let's go back here and say tag like something like I don't know, fruit. Yeah, something like this. So this one gonna be our template. I'm gonna paste it here, align them, merge into one line, and then paste it to our query. So right here. So then I'm gonna replace this part as a question mark. We don't need content to be returned. And then we're gonna load it up. Right? Prepare the statement dot add set string number 1. This one gonna be a string str search. We are going to passing in this one, and also remember to put on the wildcard, right? Otherwise it won't work in the way we want. So percentage plus. Okay, now it's good. And then let's just execute the query and loop it through, add it to story. Perfect. And then I'm gonna add another one just for best practice. Statement is closed. So yeah, we are all set. So then we just need to call this method in our controller, right? What we're gonna do is a list model.story, right? Say stories equals to db.select.by search tag. We're gonna pass in search as a parameter and decorate this method, and then we're gonna populate these stories, right? I think we don't have a manager for that. We only have an initializer. So then I'm gonna make a copy of our current, list view story initializer, and then make it here and change the name into manager populate list view story. And then this one gonna be passing a list. So stories, right? And then open it up. This one no longer needed. This one no longer needed. We only need a new list. And then loop through all the stories to extract date and the title with a lot of tab and then the number sign in the end. So then we pack this up. All right, make it even cleaner. All right, I think we are all set. So this one is not needed. Great. So we're gonna use this method here, manager, and then pass in the stories. That's it. We are ready to go. And then, yeah, finger crossed. Hope it works. Okay, we are searching for some fruits, right? Okay, listing out all the fruits. I think it's working. Let's try something like food. Yeah, we have one more egg, right? Apple and all the fruits are also food. So yeah, the search by tag is working. But I just want to do one thing, just stripe it, remove all those extra blank space around it. So then next we're gonna work on the content route. The content route is just same idea. I'm gonna make a copy of this select method, call this search by content, right? Open it up. The only thing we need to change is this content. That's it, because we are just searching in another column, right? The idea is exactly same. Why we have a problem? No, it's okay. And then I'm gonna copy paste this part, but change the name by search content. That's it. Yeah, let's say cat, then, you know, put some dummy data is lovely, right? Save, and the cat is also great and also lovely. So say lovely, right? Because we are searching in the content portion. So let's do a refresh and search by lovely. See if we get the result. Yeah, cat and dog, lovely. And try another word like great. Yeah, apple is great, cat is great. You know, yeah. All right, mission accomplished. So now we come to the end of this episode. Really not much left to talk about. Probably I gonna do next episode for, you know, the build artifacts or whatever. Yeah. All right. See you in the next one.